In 1905, Nash pioneered the liquid ring vacuum pump. Over 120 years later, we're still designing and engineering, still innovating, and still putting our customers first.
Innovation has always been at the heart of Nash. What started with the invention of the liquid ring pump in 1905 has grown to a legacy of providing engineered solutions for industries worldwide.
We're not just a pump company, we're a full system solution provider, a team of problem solvers, designing, engineering, manufacturing, and supporting custom-built systems to meet our customers' toughest industrial challenges.
At our state-of-the-art facility, we offer a comprehensive range of services, from machining and assembly to welding, repairs, and performance testing, all under one roof.
At Nash, teamwork drives innovation as we build complex systems, keeping safety at the forefront and always keeping our customers' needs first.
All parts of our Nash business collaborate to provide seamless support to customers. Teamwork is at the core of who Nash is, delivering effective solutions and ensuring satisfaction.
We do not wait for problems to arise, we anticipate them. With our experience, we spot challenges early and solve them fast.
Every customer challenge is different, and so is every solution we provide.
That's the strength of our engineering team, coming up with custom solutions right here in our facility in Western Pennsylvania.
Our advanced liquid ring vacuum pumps and liquid ring compressors are transforming operations, delivering innovative solutions for critical processes and applications. Driven by a commitment to excellence and sustainability, we are shaping the future of industrial engineering. Whether you're looking to optimize your operations or lead the charge in sustainability, Nash has the expertise to support your journey.
I've been in Nash for almost 3 years, and every day I know I'm building something that matters.
It's not just a bunch of parts and pipes, it's precision. These systems go into places like chemical plants, power stations, oil refineries, and they need to be perfect.
Knowing that the work that I'm doing is important is what keeps me coming back every day, and also the people.
Nash has shaped innovation and engineering standards for over a century. Our legacy inspires the work we do today, ensuring our continuation as an industry leader.
From complex, highly engineered systems to simple pre-engineered turnkey packages, it's our versatility that sets us apart. Nash's deep history of working directly with our customers ensures we meet their exact needs, from conceptual design to manufacturing to after-sales support. No one provides the level of service that we do, every step along the way.
As industries evolve, Nash will keep leading the charge. Engineered to serve, engineered to last, engineered for what's next. Engineered for excellence, built for the future.